Good afternoon, everybody. Jeff Koppel, contractor, realtor. Before I start the video, I just wanted to mention, no, I haven't been in a car wreck or anything. I went to the dermatologist the other day, and she decided that she needed to remove a few things, or kind of from some sun damage from me working out with my construction company for the last 22 plus years. So anyway, today I thought what I would do is talk about. I had a construction client ask me the other day for a relative of theirs. Their relative is going through a divorce. The question was, can they sell their house? And yeah, I mean, that happens all the time. People going through divorce situations, that they can buy and sell real estate. So there's one key component, though. It really depends on where you are in the process. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so, to actually get, legal advice, I would definitely talk to a family law attorney or a real estate attorney to get, specific legal requirements and everything. But the basic pieces that have to be there, if the divorce action's already been filed with the court, then in order to divide up the assets of the marriage, there has to be a divorce decree. And that basically, the divorce decree defines who gets what, basically, from the dissolution of the marriage. And some people say, well, but my husband's not on the title, or my wife's not on the title. They're not on the loan. Well, because Texas is a community property state, it still has to be decided in a divorce situation who gets what. Now, other legal documents factor into the decision, like if there was, say, a prenuptial agreement before the marriage was formed, that will have some impact on how things are handled. But a lot of people, when they go through a divorce, in order to try to save money, they go with a limited listing service, which allows them to put their property up on MLS for a fixed flat fee. The problem with those limited listing services is you generally don't get any realtor representation with those, or very little. So any of the tough questions that you might have, they don't offer that service in order to help you through the transaction. So to keep from getting a surprise at the closing table, because what could happen? Say you negotiate a sale with a buyer. Now, I'm talking from the perspective of the divorcing couple. Say you work out a deal for a sales price with your buyer. They put down, you do a contract, submit it to a title company. One of the first things that's going to happen from the title company is they're going to send you as a seller a questionnaire. And one of the questions on there is going to deal with marriage. I mean, or more than one, actually. They're going to ask you questions about current marriage, past marriages, divorce proceedings. They're going to ask all that. Now, if you fraudulently answer any of those questions, they can come back, the buyer can come back on you legally for damages. Not only to say that the title company won't complete the transaction because they don't have instructions of how to disperse funds from that transaction. Same goes for any other asset that you try to sell during a divorce situation. Until that divorce decree is created and it explains the division of assets, as a result of the dissolution of marriage, you really can't buy or sell anything. You really need to get that divorce decree finalized if you've already filed paperwork for the divorce. So I hope this answers some questions for folks that are, in an unfortunate situation of having to go through a divorce. If it involves real estate, definitely a good idea to talk to a realtor like me that has, years of experience dealing with real estate transactions. And we know where to send you for the answer if we don't have it. So if you're in the unfortunate situation of going through a divorce right now, and I know that's a tough time, would be a tough time for anybody, I would be more than happy to help you through that uncomfortable situation and help you guys start the next chapter in your life. But, well, I hope this video has helped you today, giving you some information. And as always, if you guys have ideas for videos, please send them to my email at jeffkoppel@gmail.com. and I'll be happy to create a video and answer your question. Have a great day and see you on the next one.